You found the perfect spot in your home or garden for a plant, but it's a little too shady. You're thinking, succulents probably won't survive here, right? Wrong. Not all succulents are desert sun lovers. Some are surprisingly shade-tolerant and perfect for low light spaces. Whether you're sprucing up your office desk, adding a touch of green to your bedroom, or filling that shady green nook, these 27 succulents can thrive where others struggle. Aloe vera is a classic favorite. Known for its medicinal properties, it's also highly adaptable, thriving in low humidity and filtered light. Keep the soil dry and it will reward you with effortless beauty. Lace aloe has a charming compact rosette form with white spots. It's perfect for shaded indoor spaces as long as you keep it in filtered light and water sparingly. This dwarf aloe variety is ideal for tabletops or small pots. Tiger aloe can tolerate full shade, though partial sunlight helps it grow better. The snake plant is practically indestructible. Whether in full shade or bright indirect light, it stands tall and purifies the air. Water it sparingly, especially in winter. The zebra plant has striking white stripes on its leaves, resembling a zebra's pattern. It thrives in low filtered light and adds a bold look to any indoor space. The jade plant, or good luck plant, symbolizes prosperity. While it loves sunlight, it adapts well to indirect light, making it a great choice for dimmer areas. Bear paws feature fuzzy paw-shaped leaves that make them irresistibly cute. They thrive in bright indirect light but can adapt to part shade. Foxtail agave is a standout with its soft curving leaves. It grows well in warm, well-lit spaces but doesn't mind a bit of shade. Woodland stonecrop is one of the most shade-tolerant sedums. It thrives in rocky dry soil, needing very little care to flourish. Donkey's tail is perfect for hanging baskets with its cascading plump leaves. Keep it in bright shade and handle it carefully as the stems are delicate. Flaming Katy is a flowering succulent that loves indirect light. While it needs some sunlight to bloom, it grows beautifully in low light spaces. The wax plant, also known as Hoya, is a tropical vine with fragrant flowers. It thrives in humid, semi-shaded spaces and is perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Kiwi Aeonium stands out with its colorful spoon-like leaves. It tolerates full shade in warmer climates and requires only occasional watering. The ponytail palm stores water in its bulbous trunk, making it highly drought-tolerant. It grows slowly and adapts well to bright, indirect light or part shade. The devil's backbone has a unique zigzag stem. It tolerates full shade but prefers bright, indirect light. Be cautious, it's toxic, so keep it away from pets and kids. Crown of Thorns thrives in low light, but it needs sunlight to bloom. It's hardy, low maintenance, and adds a vibrant touch to any space. The panda plant has soft, velvety leaves that resemble little ears. It thrives in indirect light and is perfect for adding texture to your plant collection. The ZZ plant, or Zanzibar gem, is a superstar for dark spaces. It's drought-tolerant, low maintenance, and perfect for beginners. Gasteria is similar to aloe, but smaller and plumper. It grows well in low light and needs infrequent watering, making it ideal for small spaces. The string of pearls is a trailing succulent with bead-like leaves. It thrives in filtered light, making it perfect for hanging pots in shaded areas. The mother of millions is a hardy succulent that tolerates low light and neglect. But be cautious, it's toxic, so keep it away from curious pets and kids. Conophytum is a group of tiny succulents often mistaken for lithops. They thrive in bright indirect light and require very little water. Aptenia, also called the baby sunrose, is a trailing succulent that produces vibrant flowers in partial shade. It's a great choice for hanging baskets or ground cover. The spider agave is compact and spineless, making it perfect for indoor pots. It thrives in east-facing windows with indirect sunlight. Sedum spurium, also called dragon's blood, is a ground cover succulent that thrives in low light. It's perfect for rock gardens or indoor pots. The string of bananas is another trailing succulent with small banana-shaped leaves. It grows well in filtered light and is perfect for hanging displays. The lifesaver cactus earns its name from its unique star-shaped flowers. It thrives in part shade and bright indirect light, adding a bold touch to your collection. Whether you're brightening up a shady nook, decorating your office desk, or greening up your home, these plants are ready to adapt. Which one are you adding to your space? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips and green inspiration.